is working on a video. So I'm just going to use it here in just a second. So the red is slime. Already started. I'm making a green tag. No, it's not already fluffy. But double slime. And then there's blue. This is like, so I already added some powder, but I'm still going to be adding some. Diana! Okay, yeah. So, this is good. So bad. You got this, put some powder on the top, and yeah, you got your good thing. You know how to do it? So you do this, suck it, and then you go up. What's this? This type really added glue, so that's all. So you have to keep adding the type. Okay, mine's starting to finish it. Okay, so I'll just touch it. So, if you need more type, yeah, you need a lot of type. Okay? You need more type. Yeah. So what's up, guys, Jenna? Sit down. Making slime. Name my video. Matthew, baby Kim. You have to say that business. I'm mixing it now. She's moving a bit. Huh? And that's just going to work. That's sticky stuff. Mix! The spoon's right here. The spoon's kind of useless already because the tie thing. I think we don't need that much tie because we got a little bit of glue. So I got one. Don't touch it yet. I'm going to say, I'll mix yours. Mix mine. Yeah, to put more of yours. No, just mix it. It's done. Don't touch it. Yeah, I said don't touch it. See, I told you don't touch it. I really like this. Yeah. So yours is done. Just have to keep mixing it. Just add a little bit more tag. Can I put it? Yeah. This is sticky. Wait, don't add it. I'm gonna make hers real fast. So she's little, bigger. I got two, so yeah. Doesn't have a mood yet. It's only 5. I'm playing this. Really fast. This, feel it about. Hey, here's not big because you're already big. No, you're little too. Okay? You're only a toddler. Stop. Okay. Is that missing? Yeah. I mean yours. So it won't be sticky. We don't need no type, no food coloring because we like the color we have.
Hi for this.
Don't touch my slime. Jenna, stop. What? Sticking out with my hands. Look at my hands.
This is really impossible, but it's not good.
I can try in here. I can try in here. Some. Spill back in there. Some. More. 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 More, Jana. Oh my God, Jana. Here, okay, come on. Go. Stop, 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 stop. Oh my God. You don't listen. Your fault.
No.
This might be a fail. Close. You can have a bit of my size, but it's gonna work because your sounds good. Just sticky, that's the point. It might be sticky for you. Someone asked some of my son, Jana, don't touch it! Why are you touching it? Stop touching it! This is good, but just a little bit sticky. A little bit sticky. So I'm gonna get the salmon. This one's sticky. Focus on this. So, some of my son, I made other day, those might get all of it now. Just gonna stick in it off a little, not to get sticky over there. And there's some in here. Okay. I'll be back. What's going on? Okay, yours is all done. Just have to go to the ground. I'll clean that up. this sign is all okay. So I added some nice other sign that I made that was perfecto. Okay, now it's my turn. Nice, good. Where's that? Where's that? Donna, there's a sign in the book. Donna, here's a sign.
Hello.
Yeah. So I added some nice sign. And then I added this sign. Huh? No, because it's sticky. This just wasn't a fit. This wasn't a fit. Now this is going on. Then I put the smallest thing in the cup. Yes. Clean up the bowl. Then I bought it full backwards. Beautiful color. I tried to make this sound before. It didn't work. I don't know how to make it. I know how to make this thing. I don't know. Because it doesn't work. This is not Mercury. I found a sound that did not go out clearly, but it is with clearly, not that clear, but it is with clearly. That's what I meant to say. Where's the sign is perfect? It cuts. The last sign just need a little bit of help. Mine don't. Very strict. One of the best sounds I made. Well, we'll have to fix that nice. Oh my god. Now it's cooking. When my phone dies, I'm gonna say bye on this video for this winter. Oh. This slime is just born. And goodbye. Dirty it. Peace out.